Hello and welcome to Trading Pains. We're back at it again for the third episode of backtesting to build confidence. So, leading off where we are yesterday, this is the trade that came out well, and simply journaling it, just marking out what I was looking for before entering in this trade. But now let's move on to the next one. So this here is the PM session. So to the next day, Thursday, the 10th. And we want to do, my time zone is like 7:15 as per usual. Okay. All right. And then just kind of want to see here and here. So left side ES, left side M and kill, right side ES. So pretty much all I use ES for is spot divergence. It is 11:31 p.m. right now and I'm tired. It's late. Usually I'm up later, but I'm just feeling really tired today. But I'm putting in the work. I want to get this. Gotta build that confidence. Gotta put in the work. You know, like if you really want it, you just gotta keep going for it. You know what I mean? All right. So looking at a daily time frame, we're seeing, we're seeing like a bearish candle momentum. I kind of want to mark out the previous day open. That has some significance, you know, previous day open, PDO, and then previous day lows, PDL, and today's highs. I feel like that has some significance to it too. So today's high. I think that's a new one. I just kind of added in there. All right, so no fair value gap, no sweep of anything yet. So I guess that's important to be aware of, is that nothing major got swept yet, and we need something previous day high to be swept to give us a little more story. Let's go down to the 4 hour. All right, so the 4 hour, we are seeing that this 4 hour got swept, and we're now in the 4 hour fair value gap. Okay, 4 hour fair value gap, bullish. Now we need to go down to the 15 minutes. And all right, 15 minutes. So we could see here that we had this sell side liquidity get taken out. Sell side liquidity, let's mark that out. And then let's take a look here on the 15-minute time frame for ES as well. And I'll just go ahead and close that. So we have more space. I should have done this the other day. Okay, same. Also swept right here. It has a 15 fair value gap that's been respected. Right there. Label bullish 15. And then right here we have also a 15-minute that's been respected. 15 minutes. And is this a break order block? Is this an order block? I still don't know. Someone help me. I know someone explained to me before, but is that clearly an order block? Help me. Maybe I'll make an order block like a little different color, like a purple, per se. Oh no, I already did purple. How about like a green one? Green's nice. Dark green. I'm gonna call this a positive OB. Yeah, make it big right now. 15 minutes, so I know where that came from. Okay, and then another thing to note, there was a 15-minute gap right here as well. And that's also been respected. Bearish 15-minute. And then same here on the S&P. Oh, come on, where's my shortcuts not working? There we go. Yeah. Bearish 15, bearish 15. All right, so let's take a look here. It looks like, oh, we got some equal highs here too. Today's highs and equal highs. Why not? I like to add that in. It swept here, so I believe this is accumulation, right? We got the 3 drive pattern. 1, 2, 3. Manipulation down. I believe well, we're on the 15-minute. Where's my... There we go. Gosh, I feel like I always have to kickstart that to get it going. Oh, it's already been here. This is London highs. Also, it is important to just note this out. London highs and London lows. Right there. London lows. Wait, is it London lows? What time am I at? I'm at 7:15. This is a New York session. New York. Okay, so that's not... I'll take it back. That's not it. Let's delete that. But this has some significance to it, so we'll call this New York high. Okay. And, well, might as well bring that back in. London lows, because it's still there, right? London lows. London... I mean, no. New York low. Whew, a lot of markout and stuff. So it looks like Asia session and London session. Their highs have not been taken out yet, but their lows have. Significant. Could this be manipulation? We shall see. Alright, down to the 5-minute. And mitigation, we also have a order block forming right here, I think. Yeah. I know I would say if the drawn liquidity is up here, but if it's coming down here to the previous day close first, I would like to see it kind of take that out. It's not even a liquidity sweep, but it tends to revisit it, right? Even here we have New York session open, New York lows. That's also significant. Hasn't been taken out yet. So previous New York high. Alright, so I guess, what do I want to see? I want to see a market structure shift. I want to see something get taken out majorly. So, alright, so let's take a look here. Do we see any SMTs? Like, no, I don't see any SMTs. Like, this is that. On the 5-minute. We get closer. SMT. And we do have a tiny one. We go on the 1 minute. Yeah. Okay. Whew. 8:30. So that means there was a news that happened. This is what happens when an 8:30 news takes place. That's definitely manipulation at its finest. So I am thinking right now we are seeing distribution taking place, because right now we are sitting in an order block in a 15-minute, so that tapped into that, and it tapped into this 15 fair value gap. So could it possibly be... I mean, I respected it when we have a doji, so nasty. Oh well. Okay, let's see, how can we make sure we have this safely played? First things first, we have a sell side liquidity swept. We have a high time frame PD array. We got both the 15-minute order block and the 15-minute high time frame. So on a S&P, we see like this respected 1 minute fair value gap. Okay, and we also have a BPR. This thing, BPR. I don't have one made yet. Let's see. BPR. I feel like I should have one by now. Well, what color should I make you that we don't have already? Then some odd color. I feel like I used every color already. Huh? Whoa. Actually, I'll just use the inverse fair value gap. We got BPR instead. Powerful. And then we'll change that color to a yellow. Boom. No, I can't even read that. To a right. To a black. Okay, I like that. Save this. Save BPR. Balanced price range. Important. important. We have that coupled with this 1 minute fair value gap, respect. That's great. But what's making me a little concerned is this thing dropping down here. Same here with NQ, right? They're both sandwiched in between these two higher time frame fair value gap. Wow. We see we have a market structure shift. Oh my gosh. Market structure shift. Middle. Center. Make us out on top. Okay. Market structure shift, and then we have another inverse fair value gap right here, which is also a BPR, right? So inverse fair value gap, we have two of them from here to here. So we have inverse fair value gap, we have, actually I'm going to change this into the BPR. BPR. Boom. Okay. And then we also have this 1 minute fair value gap that looks like it's getting respected. Different color coordinations. But yeah. And then we have this fair value gap that got respected as well. Boom, boom, boom. So I just want to see what's happening here. We have SMTs. Oh. Trying to get this shortcut to work. There you go. SMT. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay. Stop. SMT. 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 Right? No. Right here. Yeah, you gotta stick it out. So let's see the next candle play out. And another SMT. Wow, okay. So we're here. And then we're right here. So I'm trying to remember. The one that doesn't get taken out is the stronger one. Is a stronger one. So this is the stronger one. I'm going to be trading this one. ES is the weaker one because it's taking it out. Yes. I believe that's the case. Yes. SMT divergence, strong and weak. Or it's nice to have like a picture reference to double check. Where's my photo? What is it? SMT refers to situation two correlated assets within the same time frame exhibit opposite signals. Correlated assets. Here we go. Divergence up, divergence down. Bullish SMT, bearish SMT. Where's the one that says the stronger and the weaker one? Stronger. Pretty much the stronger one is the one that doesn't get taken out. Therefore, is the most stable in terms of smooth movement. So I want to focus in the Q anyways. So let's take a look here if there's anything we can find. It's going up, so maybe it could be another one, like the 5 minute, 15 minute. Just see what the next candle shows. Yep. You up? Yep, buddy. Okay, we have more SMT right here. Bah. SMTs, SMTs. This one is gonna eventually invert it. It does have equal highs up here. I swear, backtesting takes me a while. I'm like deep analysis. I have all the time in the world, but then when you do this live, you have minutes, baby. You have minutes. But this is why backtesting is important, because then you can try to recognize and identify what's going on. Let's see. The candle, dojis. Okay. Wow, SMTs right here. More SMTs. You know, when you get a series of SMTs like this, it just goes to show that you're in some sort of consolidation. SMTs. How do you do this? Maybe where we go to the bigger time frame? Like 5 minutes? Like, look at this. Dojis. Eek. Wow. AM might not even be worth it, you know? But, wait a minute. What time is it? 9:20. Oops. Let's fast forward a bit. To 9:22. 3:24. 25. Okay. 26, 27, 28, 29. And then here's the money maker candle. The opening. The opening typically drives something. Alright, so the opening took out those equal highs. Actually, even took out these liquidity point right here. So we have buy sell side liquidity taken out. Nice. And here it didn't even take it out at all. It's just like, nope. I don't want it. Is what NQ is pretty much shouting. I don't want this. But it did take out these, you know, and it tapped into this 1 minute fair value gap right here. Yes, it's just going up. So let's wait until it reaches micro time. So I'm gonna mark out those micro times right here. That way we can just see it visually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a bright color, but I chose baby pastel. I chose like a lovely pastel color for my charts. Ah, well, that's a lovely candle, isn't it? How does that look like down in the 30 seconds, huh? Oh, we can't even do the 30 seconds. We only have minutes. Great. Not a problem. Okay, so still SMTs. Like, I do see a break a block right here. This might be considered a break a block. I saw someone mark out on a video that these candles, like 1, 2, all of these are break a block. But actually, I'm gonna just include this guy. Maybe this blue candle, I'm gonna use that more as a break a block because it's a bullish break a block. I feel like that makes more sense to me. Okay, we tapped into this, tap into that. We're going back up here. Let's take a look at the next candle. Wow, what a lovely doji that is. Still no clear buy resist. And back down to the breaker block. Dojis. Oh, ES is going down. ES is giving me a market structure shift from here. Oh no, another SMT. From here to here. Great, thank you. I love seeing them. In consolidation, you protect me. You protect me. Alright, next candle. What is with this doji? Alright, tap back into this 15-minute fair value gap here. And what did it take out? Did it give me another SMT? Well, we are still sitting in this SMT right here. Alright. Okay, something's... No. Wow. Okay. Opposites. We're good. I think that was it right here. SMT. Break a block. It did break above it. The candle right there. Do I think it's gonna go up still? Maybe not. I feel like it's not clear. Like, not clear. Next candle. This candle. Okay. We have a fair value gap for marketing open 931. This is what you considered the first fair value gap of the market open. Wow. On NQ. Wow. And ES is just the opposite. Opposite. Yep. Disrespected that. What did that turn into? You got it. Inverse fair value gap. Oh. Poof. Alright, we're seeing something. So, the breaker. It might take out New York lows. Breaker is a failure. Breaker block right there is a failure. But I do see another potential breaker block right here. This candle to this. Negative. Wow, that makes it hard to see. Make it brighter. Middle line is helpful. A boulder is nice. Okay, I like that. Okay, I like that. I don't mind that. Okay. Save drawing as negative PP. Boom. Boom. Yes. Alright, let's deep analyze this again. So we do accumulation right here. We have this big displacement, this beautiful, lovely displacement. It's honestly, let's take a look at the daily candle again, right? What is it showing? Bearish. Bearish, okay. So we might target previously low, it might not. What was it again on 4 hour? 4 hour, we have this real nice fair value gap, and if anything, we have this to line up with. Point right there. And I want to make this like a thicker dotted line just so I could see what that was. 1 hour. I didn't really look at 1 hour too much. So 1 hour we can get rid of this bearish blocker and then put a 1 hour fair value gap in here instead. That looks nicer to me. Oh, all the blue overlays. 15 minutes. Damn, it's getting pretty hard to see. 30. I feel like I just get rid of this 4 hour. There we go. This 15 minute, can tap back into it. And then we do have this 30 that hasn't been tapped into yet. So, bearish 30, bullish 30. I don't really have that. I don't typically look at 30 minutes, but they're good to see. Okay. My eye's itchy. Ugh. Eye doctor said I shouldn't rub my eye. But it just feels so good. And I wore makeup today so I can stop rubbing them. Okay, back to 1 minute. Okay, let's be a little weary about here. It's tapping that 4 hour support. And have some tea right here. I'm curious to see what the next candle offers. Okay. Yeah, and then next. Alright. Is it gonna come back and retrace into this breaker block? This is a proper breaker block. Bodies are equal lows, so that's one thing I want to look for. Shortcut, come on. There you go. Negative breaker block. So we have two of them right here, and then we also have a fair value gap right here. 1 minute fair value gap for that to stand out. Why do I have a yellow one? Alright. Now I have to really think about this. Where's my higher time frame? I ain't got one for the bearish move. This is probably, I'd rather buy into this, you know. Here I just took out that sell side liquidity. Okay, Did it take anything out on the bigger scale? It sure did. Right here. Actually, even lower. Right here. Even lower. Yeah. Boom. I used to do this on a phone. I can still do it on a phone. But granted, I like the computer screen now. Next candle. It tapped into that. Next candle. Alright, this is a good sign. I think we're gonna go for longs. Positive for longs. We got higher time frame. We got large security swept. Liquidity swept. We have but then this breaker block is confusing too. What do I do? No longer a breaker. Is there a bigger SMT that I'm missing? I don't think so. Maybe. Huh? What is this part? My cat, what are you doing? Come on. Get on the floor. She's like playing with the papers. Ah. Well, I'll be damned. I don't know if you guys heard that, but this doesn't even have one. What's the swing port for this? This guy? This candle? So, whoa, okay. Definitely want to go for longs. I don't want to go for shorts. We got the higher time frame PD array. We got SMTs. We got swing point liquidity taken. It's making. That's a nice bearish candle. SMTs on a smaller time frame. I will enter on. This bearish breaker block does worry me, but I think I'm pretty confident in this trade. Let's go for 3. Buy. Okay. I'll put my stop loss below that liquidity sweep. And I want to target a 2-to-1 pretty much is what I always want to try to aim for. It's just a 2-to-1. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. Just hope it works out. So 2-to-1. Wow, that's actually pretty high for a 2-to-1 to be honest. And well, we got those equal highs. I think it can make it. If this is like, you know, accumulation, and then this whole thing is manipulation down. I guess let me double check the 15 minute. 15 minute usually just tells you, right, what it looks like. I don't know, man. It looks pretty strong to the downside still, but this is why we doji candle looks nice right there. 5 minute, that looks like a nice candle right there. You know, this is why we backtest to build that confidence. Gotta build that confidence. All right, well, I'm gonna take off 2 once it reaches up here. Let me just mark out this. There we go. And I have heard about projection. If I do this right, from here to here, projection should be for 2. Crikey. Can I really make it way up there? Can it really? That makes it all-time high, won't it? On this time frame? Well, alright, the moment of truth. We've been analyzing this for almost 30 minutes now, for one trade. Oh, God. Oh, praise the Lord. I mean, good job, me. Good job, Gummy. You got this. You got this. You build that confidence, girl. Okay, so we have a... I'm going to delete this. It's invalid now. Delete this too. Also, I don't think it is anymore. Now we have a inverse fair value gap right here, which is a good sign for our order block switch. And then right here is also another inverse fair value gap. Okay, so we got 1, we got 2, we got 3 inverse fair value gap. We got an order flow change, baby. Because we got this 1 minute fair value gap right here that it will most likely tap back into because of this candle. That's, I'm pretty sure. And whoa, S&Ts on the ES. That's a little tricky now, huh? S&Ts on the ES. So what I'm gonna do is bring it to break even right here. Oh, sweet. All right, nice. Gotta keep an eye on this now, okay? See what it takes out. So we have another swing point that is just taking it right here. Hasn't taken it out on this side yet. So keeping an eye on that. I'm just gonna bring this up now to make, come on, let me do it. Right there, to, honestly right here, I don't think it'll have any reason to come back down here. Fair value gap, might tap back into it, okay. Now we're in profit, looking great. Okay, beautiful. Oh, alright, might stop me out right here. So, probably because of all this little liquidity right here. And ES. Oh, quirky. Well, okay. Oh, jeez. Alright, I call that great. Good trade. Cool, so this is a very projection. But we can just slow it down here to show that I got out. Actually, I put it right below right here. That's where I got out. So, pretty good trade for that one. I didn't count how many ticks I have or how much I made. $163 in that. Good trade. Was up like 400 up here. Jesus. I should have suspected that this S&T was the cause of that. Alright, well, let's see if we can see another second trade because it's shifting to the upside still. That's what I think, even though it inverted this. I think I need to take out all this liquidity right here. Okay. See, look at that. If I left it to break even, that trade could have made it. Could I have another opportunity to get in here? A little tricky now. How would I know if it's still gonna go up? You don't. Dojis! You don't. So I'm not gonna take another trade. That, I think this is like now sandwiched in between like Yep, accumulation, and it is now 11. So good trade, good back testing today, you guys. Proud of us. Proud of me. I didn't let this 15-minute. I mean, the doji is just crazy. That's wild. Like, look at all these. Poof. SMT saving my day. Getting myself familiar. I'm happy with that. It was still a winning trade. Target profit should have been 1 to 2. But it wasn't even 1 to 2. Order block flow change. I'm curious to see what happens. Here we go. Switching to the upside curve. Do you eventually hit my target? You do. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Haha. Alright. Yes. So, if I hadn't moved my stop loss, this trade would have been perfectly A-okay. But that's what we do. We mitigate things, you know. Wonderful. That was great. That was a great trade. Okay. I'm just going to leave it right here so I could see for journaling. Journaling is very important. Wow. Wow. So I got here. I'm just going to type in stop loss hit. But the full projection. One day I'm going to catch this. I just know it. I'm just going to be able to catch this kind of trade one day. Backtesting would be the key to that success. Absolutely, absolutely. Wow. Amazing. I'll just put this here so I can... it'll be hard to see now, but yeah, see, look. Wow. Wow. Okay, let's mark this. October 10th, 2024. Not 24. I was right. Thursday we had a 1 hour 30-minute. Honestly, the 30-minute higher time frame works for me. 30-minute higher time frame FEG. 1 minute, and we were looking at entering at the inverse fair value gap. And we had SMTs present, SMT higher time, and we had SMT lower time. Cool. I should just add that to my trades, to be honest. What I'm marking for, because look at this. I'm proud of me for getting here at the ultimate entry. Ultimate entry, 953. What did I type in text for? Yeah, ultimate. This is the best entry. I would have gone in here, but this is way better. Wow. Oh, I can't wait until I reach a back testing where it takes up the entire trade. I should have just let it run its course. Why did I move the stop loss? I even have this issue in back testing? Come on, Gummy. Get a hold of yourself. Alright, so let's mark out the micro times too. So we did mark it out earlier, but it's hard to see it. From here to here. Macro time, babies. I should only ever trade when macro time hits. Because movements happens during that time. The kind of movements that you want happens during that time. Okay. I'm just going to save this as macro 9:45 a.m. There you go. Shortcuts. They're great. Just keep making them. Make it faster. Hopefully I get faster at this. And then we're gonna open journal, trade notes, take this. Cool. Image, copy. Okay. Wonderful. If only I didn't move my stop loss. It would have gone through the would have hit full TP. Gosh, how much would that been right there? And that was 163 right here. Wow, that would have been close to like 1,000. Wow, well maybe 700 at least. Alright, let's end it for today's session. Thank you very much for tuning in to Trading Pains. Thank you.